guys, in this video let's unbox and perform the display scratch and bend test on the brand new Redmi Note 5 Pro. On picking up the Redmi Note 5 Pro, I was expecting it to have a similar in-hand feel and weight like that of the Redmi Note 5. But the Pro has a more sleeker and premium feel to it and seems to weigh less in comparison. Whereas the Redmi Note 5 has the feel more like a solidly built phone. Not that it is light in weight, but it definitely feels lighter than the regular Note 5. Having said that, my confidence and initial guess about the Pro having the same exact structural strength has come down a bit. Other than that, the phone looks awesome with its bezel-less design, 18:9 tall screen ratio, and the dual cameras at the back. Another thing to note is that Xiaomi, as they promised during the launch event, is already rolling out the face unlock feature via an OTA update, much sooner than expected. So continuing the scratch test with the SIM Ejaculator pin, box cutter and common household items found in pockets like keys and coins, let's see if this unnamed Corning Gorilla Glass is of the same quality as Gorilla Glass 3 or 5. The scratch test did result in about 4 permanent minor scratches due to the coins, which is visible under bright light. Though it still passes the test, since the same can happen on Gorilla Glass 3 or 5. Now moving on to the bend test, let's see if my slight nervousness that the body may not be as strong is true or not, because it feels lighter and not as solid as the Redmi Note 5. Will it break under the force I usually apply like the Honor 9 Lite, or kink like the Mi A1 and the Mi Max 2? The Redmi Note 5 Pro did manage to survive the bend test with no major breaks or cracks, but it did kink inwards just near the power keys while applying force from the display side and straightened out a bit by pressing from the back. Comparatively structural strength wise, it is stronger than the Mi A1 but will rank below the regular Redmi Note 5 or Honor 7X, which did not develop any kinks whatsoever. Stay tuned for more interesting tech stuff and more videos on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.